What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Tyler here, back with another video. Right, as you can see, I've just woke up. It's currently 7 o'clock in the morning. I'm off to go pick up my boy, and we're gonna go to what you've all been waiting for. Going to get my Fiesta dynoed today. So yeah, I hope you enjoy this fucking video. I hope you enjoy this video. Right, before the video starts, this video is sponsored by B7 Performance. As I was saying in all the other videos, make sure to go hit him up. If you want anything cheap for your car, parts and etc., make sure to hit him up. As you can see, if you lot haven't seen, obviously I've done it with my cars as well. The quality of the materials are pretty good. Make sure to use the 10% of my discount code, which is Tyler Scott in all capitals, for 10% off of all parts. Make sure to hit him up. You can get like stuff like this. It's all like lanyards and stuff. But yeah, he does do. It's not just Mark 7s, Fiestas and stuff like that. It's for all cars. Hit him up. Go to b7performance.com for more, and you can have a look at the website. You can do what you want. Pay for it. Let him know that you've seen my videos and you've come across me to go towards his website. It'd be much appreciated. Right guys, that's what I got on my dyno. I will be putting straight after this. I didn't think I would get 145. To be honest, I'm actually quite fucking gassed. We're also going to be doing his soon, so stay tuned for that. But that's to prove to you lot that it is nearly 150. So suck all your mum's blood. No, I'm joking. No. I see what you guys thinking. Like, don't get me wrong. Yeah, I see some people do talk the talk and all that, and obviously you lot asked us to get it dyno. So yeah, we got it dynoed, and the first run was 117, and then like for the other two runs it was 145. So in a way, when you look at it, so if that's jumped quite a lot, to be fair, like. Oh, yeah. Right, like obviously I was thinking I was only going to gain 12 horsepower, like everyone else, you lot think. You lot have hit me up and said, oh, I'm only going to gain 12, there's no point. Have I gained 12? No, you can see the diagram. I've not gained just 12 horsepower, so trust me, hit these guys up. They are absolutely amazing. Stay tuned for this one. So guys, this is the next day. Sorry I didn't get to do most of the videos yesterday. See, due to the coronavirus and stuff like that, it couldn't really be done. The video today was basically because all of you lot wanted me to get my dyno done, so I got it done. I got the figures. I'm quite shocked and absolutely gassed that obviously I thought it was going to be a 150, as I've been saying for the whole of my videos from the back then. I've had some of you, well, most of you lot saying, no, it's no way, it's not going to be nowhere near 150. Would you, I can't believe you think that intake, comb filters don't do shit. It's not turbo, so you won't get a lot out of it and stuff like that. I've just got loads of it. Don't get me wrong, most people will. I got it done and I just thought, Joe, let's prove you guys. But I'm not, right, right, I'm not saying I knew it was going to be 150. I've rounded it because what they're saying is a standard Z-Tech was, they say the estimate, because I've never dynoed this car when I first bought it, so I couldn't tell you what the actual figures for this car because I didn't buy it brand new. So I can't tell you it's going to be a 118 brake horsepower, which it's not. Because you could tell by my number plate, it's old. It's 12 years old. So yeah, so when I got it staged by STX Tunings 7 months ago. I'd never got it dynoed. Today, obviously, this video you're going to watch is the day that I got it dynoed for my very first time. So yeah, so I don't know what it pushed. But obviously they checked it up at a cold start. It was like 117. So what I had to do is make sure the roller's properly, make sure it's gripping. It's just a little test run, and that's how they got the 117. Yeah, but the final results was actually a 145.1 brake horsepower and 147 and a torque, which is pretty sick, to be fair, because he came up to me and when he told us like the first run was the practice run was like 117, I was like, oh no way, man, my subscriber's gonna fucking hate me, man. But no, even don't get me wrong, honestly mate, it's been mental. I didn't think we'll get the figures out like that with this car, but we managed to get you 145 brake with 147 torque, so it's even, and it's fast. Not gonna lie, when I got it done, it feels faster. Like, not getting me wrong. I don't know. It's a bit weird. If you notice, like, when someone does something to your car, and it's just like something feels changed. It feels faster or something. It's just weird, man. But yeah, so that's all that. So yeah, so that's the figures obviously you boys was looking for. I hope you enjoyed the video, because it's not like I've proven to you lot wrong, but in a way I'm looking at it going, you know, my figures, forever who owns a Z-Tech S, make sure to hit these guys up, because I'm not just saying because I go, you can see by the figures how much you would gain as well. Your car, if your car is the same age as mine, or if it's the new shape, the 7.5, it's no difference, to be fair. EcoBoost and obviously upwards, the ST, obviously they're better than my car. I'm not getting like, that's the thing, it's just their cars are better. So, but I'm just saying, physically, for my type of cars and the 7.5s, make sure to hit him up. Let him know that I've obviously, let him know that you've spoken to me. He'll know exactly who I am. But yeah, if you want them type of figures, hit him up. Exactly what I've done. In your car will be 145, probably more, depends on the quality of your car. So make sure to hit him up, make sure to get it done, because he's probably the best one out there. Because I've had so many people come up to me and say, oh yeah, but I've gone this place and they're telling me, oh, I'm not going to get a lot of power, and then you will get people like that. It's not just the Fiestas or any other cars. You'll get people like that because they can't be asked. They can't be asked for non-turbo cars. Like, yeah, people are more interested in turbo cars, but fair enough. But like, it's quite interesting if you had a car that didn't have a turbo and what you can physically get out of it. Do you know what I'm saying? That's the most interesting part. Like, how much, like, my idea, how much can I get out of this car before I start my new future with a different car? So that's what I was saying. I'll see. I just want to see how much this does. I'll see, it's like 145 at the moment, but I'm looking at, can I get more done to it? More done to it? And STX Junior said, yeah, you could. Also, guys, I forgot to mention, the customer service at STX Tunings is absolutely amazing. They take care of your motor, etc. They actually, before it gets dynoed, they have to diagnose test it to see if it's running properly and stuff like that. They definitely take care of your car. They also take care of you. They appreciate, obviously, people coming to their job and stuff like that and getting their dynos, and it's spreading the love. Do you know what I'm saying? So for all these car peoples like me, make sure to go to him. Trust me, it's not a scam. It's absolutely amazing. You could probably see me there. So if you lot get it done sometimes and that, I do gonna send messages to the guys there. You might see me there. So if you lot want to get your cars done and stuff like that, and you do say to me that you're getting it dynoed certain days and stuff like that, I'll be there. I could be there. So if you lot want to see me and stuff like that, and my boy, we will be there. Just stay lit, man. Let's stay lit.